Today we're going to stay at Harrah's for the first time. We've been to Harrah's quite a few times. We're familiar with the building, the casino, and many of the restaurants. In fact, two of the first few restaurant vlogs we ever did were at Harrah's. We've been to Ruths Steakhouse for a couple of our anniversary celebration trips. It's a beautiful restaurant with a very up-close and unique view of the Strip. The service is excellent. I can still taste that tomahawk steak. I'll leave a link right here to that original video we did.
How are you liking it so far? Is it tasty? Yes. Very good.
And we also did a video at Harrah's on the pizza cake. We just happened to be there for the grand opening. Buddy Valastro was there making sure everything ran right, and he was nice enough to stop and take pictures with people. I'll drop another link to that original video right here. Well, when we went to check into Harrah's, they said that we had to go to the VIP desk because we'd been upgraded. Okay. I don't think we've ever been on the top floor of any hotel. They put us up in the presidential suite. A very impressive room. Huge living area with great hardwood floors, lots of seating. Has a big couch area and a table and chairs, and it also has a wet bar. Had a great view from the top floor from all 8 windows. Seating areas all over the place. Artwork. A very well decorated room, I'd say that. Clean and shiny. Had an extra large bedroom. A king-size bed and a couch at the end of the bed. The bedroom had another seating area by the window. It also had a makeup table and chair, a dresser with a safe, and a large screen TV. It had a super large bathroom, good sized tub, and a giant closet. The closet had a seating inside the closet, 3 mirrors, his side and her side. And then we have the dual sink vanity, well lit mirrors. I'll tell you, everything was clean and shiny. Very impressive. Now here's a shower. I haven't seen a shower this big since gym class. You could fit about a dozen people in this shower. Great water pressure. You know you're in the shower.
I'm just hanging out here. Look, I'm just gonna read a book here.
I like the soap and shampoo dispensers.
Hello, hello, hello. Ooh, that's a nice shower.
A very well arranged bathroom, very well arranged suite, and overall frosted sliding glass doors. And so did the guest bathroom by the front door, also had a sliding glass. This was a great room with a great view, and the view got really good at night. You can see the volcano at the mirage. Being the first time we've ever stayed here, we've never seen the pool before. There's actually 2 pools and a whole bunch of cabanas. And it was very quiet on a weekday, but maybe a party atmosphere on the weekend. I'm not sure. Needless to say, with that suite, we really enjoyed our stay at Harrah's. As always, we thank you for watching. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, comments. If I left anything out, let me know.